Hello people, what's good? This is Ananya. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little different. I am gonna unpack, but not books. I'm gonna unpack my new microphone. So yeah, I'm super excited. Let's get started. I do have these collar mics, but for a really long time I have been planning to purchase a condenser mic, but it seems like most of the condenser mics are not compatible with phones, and I shoot my videos with phones, so I was not buying because although we can probably connect the condenser microphones with smartphones with the help of OTG, but I was really not sure, so I did not purchase till now. But recently I have found one microphone which is compatible both with smartphones and laptops, so I thought, yeah, this would be the best. And I'm really sorry about the background noise because there is some marriage or something. I'm not sure, but yeah, there is a lot of noise, so I'm really sorry for that. And let's get to the unpacking. Honestly, I need to turn off the fan and record, and even after that the audio is not always clear, so that is the reason, because there is a lot of background noise, and the noise cancellation in this microphone does not really work well. All right. So there we go. So this is Maono, I believe that's how it's supposed to be pronounced. I'm not really sure. Maono Condenser Microphone Kit, AU-PM360TR, Professional Audio Innovation. So yep, there it is. The pack looks promising. Now let's see what all do we have. I received this pack in the afternoon, but I did not unpack it because I really wanted to unpack it right away, but I did not because I had to make a video and I wanted to unpack it with you guys. So I resisted myself because I was working back then, and then I went to the gym, and after coming back, this is the first thing I'm doing. All right. So we have this something. There's a card and there's a user manual, and then we have, so first things first, we have this microphone. This looks so good. I've got it for very less price because condenser mics are always like very much expensive, but this one I have got it around 1700. I'll keep it aside. It's totally crunched. And this is really cute. This is really cute tripod. And we'll be placing it over here. Ooh, the cable is really long. So we have it like this. Alright. So as of now, the voice that you are hearing, it's from this collar mic, and now I will connect it with this one and let's see how it works. This is the video that I'm recording without microphone. This is JBL's microphone. I have now connected this mic with my phone, and you guys can check the audio quality. Also, there is a lot of noise today, so we can actually understand whether the noise cancellation is working a bit or not, because obviously no mic could be able to cancel the noise completely, and not at all the ones that comes in like 1700 or 1800. But if you're looking for a mic, then you can totally go with this one because you clearly see the audio difference. It's plug and play, and there's like no extra hassles. The best thing about this mic is that you can connect it with your phone and laptop both, and even sound card, which I'm not really bothered about because I don't have one. That's it for today. If you guys like the video, then please do make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe and everything. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.